everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful paper quilling grandmother. She is knitting something and she is looking so pretty and so beautiful. So you can create this super cute miniature paper quilling doll to gift in upcoming Mother's Day to your grandmothers who loves to do knitting work or sewing work. And this is super duper easy and fun to make this. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. First, I'm starting with making the face. For this, I'm taking 5 strips of peach color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Then taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Filling the dome using glue and spreading it using brush. Now on the edge I am adding little more glue, and in the same way I have created one more dome using 5 strips of 3 mm grey color. So just joining both the domes together and face is ready. Now here I am taking half strip of peach color. This is a very thin strip. I have just cut my 3 mm strip from center to make thin strip, and randomly I am creating one ring for the neck of the grandmom. So neck is ready. I am just connecting the neck with face. Like this. Then here I have prepared this tight coil which is made using 7 strips of purple color 5 mm for the shirt portion. So I'm just opening it slowly using my fingers. Tapping from backside of the pen to create the flat base, opening it little bit more and just checking that after adding face how the height will look. So I'm just opening it little bit more. Now adding glue inside the dome, and after that I will stick the face with this. Like this. Then in the bottom I am adding one more dome which is made using purple color 5 mm strips, and this is made using 7 strips. So just joining both the domes together. Now I will start with making the legs. So here I have prepared these two tight coils. The purple one is made using 2.5 strip of 5 mm, and this is made using 1.5 strip of peach color in 5 mm. So first I am opening the peach one and creating the long cone. Adding glue inside this. Then opening the purple one, and it will be little flat one compared to the peach one. Adding glue inside this as well. Similarly, I have prepared one more pair. So just joining these two parts together to construct the leg. And legs are ready, allow it to dry. Then I am joining both the legs in front like this. So here I am making the sitting position for grandmom. Then I'm starting with making the hands. Here I'm taking this tight coil which is made using 1.5 strip of purple color 5 mm, making one cone shape. Similarly created one more, so just checking that the height of both the hands should be same, bending it little bit. Then this tight coil is made using 1.5 strip of 3 mm peach color. First making tight teardrop shape, then making little dome, add glue inside both the things and connecting with each other. Similarly, I have prepared one more hand, so hands are ready. Then here I am doing little paper mache work. So on these joints of legs and the lower portion, I am adding some small pieces of tissue paper, and here I have created the mixture of glue and water. So I am just covering each and every part nicely with these small tissues to make it more sturdy and in the shape, so that we can create the skirt easily. We have to cover this portion nicely. Remember, you just need to cover the pant portion along with the waist part. Don't cover the legs. And it's completely dried. Now it's time to color this with matching chalk paint to the dress. Though this part will hide after adding strips, but try to color with the matching shade. You can also use acrylic colors. So coloring is done. Now I'm just taking small pieces of same purple color 5 mm strips and overlapping these strips all around the waist part so that it will look like a skirt. So I have covered everything from front to back, and the super cute skirt is ready. Because of the paper mache work, we can cover the whole portion very easily. And now she can sit nicely. Now here I am adding the back bun, which is made using 2 strips of 3 mm grey color. So I am attaching this. This is simple a dome shape. Then taking 1/4 strip of grey color thin strip and making one bended leaf shape for front hairs. Similarly, I have created one more bended leaf shape. So I'm just joining these two shapes in the forehead part. Like this. Then I'm adding two small teardrops for ears, which are made using 1/4 strip of peach color thin strip. Adding eyes using black small circles. nose using peach strip and lips using pink color triangle cut. Then for the specs, I am using 6 mm jump ring in silver color. Then here I am taking one strip of peach color in 5 mm and making the shoe. So first create the tight teardrop shape. Then taking one strip of 5 mm black color and making Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping the peach teardrop with Malaysian flower petal and wrapping this whole petal using black color strip. So the shoe with leg is ready. Similarly created one more. Now I am just attaching the shoe with the legs. And hold it for some time. So this is attached, and also I have added small collar and belt using pink color paper. Then here I have attached two paper pins with the hands so that it will look like a knitting needle, and the grandmom is holding knitting needle on both the hands. So attach the hands with the body and hold it for a few minutes. Like this. She's looking so adorable. Now I'm taking one strip of brown color in 5 mm and making one cone shape. Here I'm making the legs for stool on which our grandmom will sit. Making the cone shape using pencil, adding glue inside this. Similarly, I have prepared 4 cones and also created this big tight coil which is made using 20 strips of 5 mm in brown color. It will be the top of the stool. Now on back side I am attaching all 4 cones as legs. And the super cute teeny mini stool is ready. Allow it to dry completely for a few seconds. And then here I have prepared these two domes which are made using 5 strips of red color 5 mm each. One is little deeper and one is shorter dome. So I'm just joining both the domes to hold our yarn ball, and created this yarn ball using two strips of light green color 3 mm. Just like we created the face, I have created 2 domes and connected with each other. So I'm just attaching one spiral same color strip with this so that it will look like yarn is coming from the ball, and then sticking the ball inside this stand. Then taking back the grandmom and I'm sitting her on the bench or stool. Like this. Then I have attached one small piece of green color paper with the yarn so that it will look like grandmom is knitting something. Then created this big tight coil for base, which is made using 50 strips of light green color in 5 mm. You can use any color of your choice. Then attaching the bench on top of the base and also the yarn stand. Like this. And the super cute Mother's Day gift is ready. You can create this very adorable grandmom to gift in upcoming Mother's Day, and I'm sure she will like it so much. Here I have added pink color fringes in the bottom to look like the scarf knitting. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.